Wonderful home in Avon Schools, built in 2003, perfect for 2021. 3-car garage, open floor plan, loft and a privacy fenced backyard. Accessibility features on the main level include 0-step entries, 36 inches doors, plus a bedroom west/full bath and roll-in shower. Great for in-law/guest room. Large backyard, includes extra large custom stamped patio, retractable awning, service door to garage and gate. This home is perfect for social distancing indoors and out. Upstairs loft with extra outlets, CB great study room, crafting, home office or just another space to relax. Owner's suite has ample room for that king bed and additional large furnishings. Full bath, garden tub/shower combo, huge walk-in closet. 3 bedroom upstairs west/walk-in closets,